Hi, my name is Dr. Kapilesh Dave. Welcome to my life page. Today I am going to brief you about General Publishing System. But before that, I would like to introduce myself. I did my PhD from Jodhpur National University in Pharmaceutical Science, and after serving 10 years in the field of education, this time I am working as an entrepreneur. We started our General Publishing System in 2010. My wife, Dr. Babita Bhatt, working as a publishing manager for International Journal of Advanced Research in Computer Science, and I am working with her for Gen Excellence Publication System. Presently, I am working here as an advisor and contributing my skills, my knowledge for the upgradation and improvement of the general publication. Nothing but converting a research, a review, a survey, or a technical study in the form of words to frame a manuscript, and the manuscript will serve other researchers as a reference, and this reference will be utilized for years and years and years. The first and foremost important is the publication ethics. There are so many journals mushrooming in past few years in our country and worldwide, but there are very few which are maintaining their quality with publication ethics. When we talk about publication ethics, it means you are maintaining the quality of publication with the quantity, and this can be achieved. There are so many guidelines are available on website, on internet. Various government departments are also having their own publishing ethics. The basic skill which you require is the computer savvy. You should be computer savvy personnel. You should know how to handle Word. You should know how to handle internet. You should know emailing system, because without this you are completely unable to run a journal. Once you are computer savvy, you know the things about computer, then the similar part of the computer, that is Word, and that comes under the designing segment, because the whole work of publishing system runs around MS Word. You have to work on Word for all the time. You have to be. For me, it is satisfaction. Satisfaction in terms of giving education society a platform where students, researchers, academicians, teachers can explore their ideas, views, knowledge, research, observations in the form of text. And definitely with this platform you will live longer, because a journal, a paper lives for hundreds of years, millions of years. You are going to die, but your journal will not, your paper will not. The paper which you published at your journal will live longer. It is not an easy task. We are since 8 years in the field, and there are so many ups and downs. Many times we felt let it close, अब नहीं होगा, अब हमको छोड़ना पड़ेगा, we can't run it, because sometime you face zero entry for 20 days, 30 days, 40 days. Then you start thinking what I am doing, where I am failing. So this kind of challenges you need to face while running a journal. You have to be strong enough, you have to be having faith in yourself and your team, and with the help of teamwork you will start rising. The day starts with email check. The time when you enter in an office, you start your work on your laptop, your computer screen, and it starts with the emails, because all the work comes from the email. From the email you will receive responses of the authors, you will receive papers from the authors which you need to forward to reviewers. Then you have to check previous communication of reviewers, what kind of reports come from the reviewers. With the help you prepare your communication to those author in future, and days continues like that. Your office work on the layout designing, you have to meanwhile you have to check what kind of paper formatting is going on, what kind of language editing is going on. Time to time you have to boost up your employees for working well. You have to be in communication with all the editorial team, layout editors, You have to be in communication with authors. Some pending tasks may also be there. So at the end of day, you should just make a checklist of what else remaining to do tomorrow morning. So this is the life. A whole day spent on the computer screen and mobile phone. You have to be very patient while working on the general publishing system, because sometimes it becomes tedious work. You get bored. अरे यार ये क्या है, कितनी बात करेंगे हम, है ना. Sometimes I already switch off my phone. अब मुझसे बात नहीं होगी. So this kind of work you need to do. But the day you start doing, you will get enjoy. You will enjoy if talking to many people. Sometime principal may call you, sometime a student may call you, and the change of conversation you will observe. So this is my day, which I do in my office. So this is an overall idea about general publishing system. Hope this talk will help you if you are deciding your career. We are at Gen Excellence Publication System, an international journal of advanced research in computer science. Always ready for the students, researchers, academicians. Now we are also working for supporting many conference-like events. In last year, we had 6 conferences. In coming year, in 2018, there are 4 to 5 more conferences are also going to conducted with the help of IJRCS and Gen Excellence Publication. I hope I gave you a balanced view of general publishing system. And if you follow this, it will be easier for you to design, develop and maintain a quality publication system. I wish all the best. If any kind of help required from my side, you are welcome. Thank you very much.